This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Brand new Cape Cod sitting on 5.91 acres off Route 9 in Hedgesville. This home will be move-in ready in 60 days. 1750 square/ft finished space includes 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, master on the main level, large open floor plan design west/vaulted ceilings, granite countertops, 12 by 12 rear deck, 5 by 38 covered front porch, dual zone heating and air conditioning and more. Some pictures are of similar construction. Please be careful during showings as this is an active construction site. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Butler at 304-263-2121.